Increasing the transfer limit on the Access Bank application is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the Access More application. Then, ensure you're logged in with your valid credentials. Now, navigate to Settings. Locate the Settings option within the app menu and select Transfer Limit. This option may be titled Increase Transfer Limit or Manage Transfer Limit depending on the app version. Now choose Self Limit. This option allows you to set your desired transfer limits. And enter desired limits. Specify the maximum daily and monthly transfer limits you want to set. Then, review and confirm. Carefully review the details and confirm your request. Wait for confirmation. You will receive a notification regarding the status of your request.